So I wanted to show everyone the chuckle I had to myself earlier today. So as you can see behind me, I collect uh, old retro games that I used to play. Um, Not anything like crazy with collecting all of them. I just collect the ones that I liked when I was younger. I have Nintendo, Super Nintendo, 64. I got GameCube over here, and I got my 3DS, my DS. I used to play more, but that was like my emulating phase, so I don't really have many actual games. And Game Boy Advance and regular Game Boy games, Game Boy Pocket and original. So I wanted to like get cases for these, and I'll worry about these ones later. But like, cause they're so small, and so I ordered. I had like 12, I think total, somewhere. I don't know where the rest of them are. Probably in the here's one right here. I ordered a bunch of cases that have the. Oh, did I put it away already? I ordered a bunch of the cases that have the Game Boy Advance slot in them. That way I just had a box for them, and I could put them there, and I could print off a fake little side for them. That's actually what I did for these guys. All these were custom, done by this person or persons on sites. So I just printed them off and put them around cases. These ones have like a plastic over them, and this one's actually the paper right here. I should probably put tape over them if I could, just to preserve them a little bit longer. So the funny part comes in where I ordered 12 DS cases, just like this, the ones with the Game Boy Advance slot in them. And it said they were blank, and it was like, I don't know, it was like $14 for 12 of them. I'm like, oh, okay, that's fine. So I opened up the box that they came in, and I peek at them, and I'm like, what the fuck? What is this? And I'm like, at first I thought it was like a joke, because I thought like somebody just put the art on inside the pack just like to fuck with me. No. They're all fucking Jonas Brothers. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, they're retail, like, unopened games. How? So, I'm gonna open one up right now. I don't have my knife on me. Of course I don't. I'm gonna open this up with my fingernails if I can muster it. I don't have anything. I have my keys. I use my keys to open this up. This is like, oh my god, watch, none of them have the fucking Game Boy Advance slot in them. I just opened it up. It's not opening. Okay, there we go. So, getting a good... Oh my god, really? I guess I never have done this one-handed before. Fucking mine as well. There we go. Alright. Wow. I literally got 12 Jonas Brothers games now. Legit. What the fuck?